Dear friends, today we are going to discuss about lesson number 4, that is keyboard and its functions. Let's move. Keyboard is an important part of a computer because you see without keyboard you cannot work properly. Means your work is not successful. How? See, without input how your processor will work and how what you will get your output. Okay, so keyboard is the also an important role whenever you are working with computer. It has different types of keys. These are used to type letters, numbers and special characters. Whatever we type through a keyboard appears on the monitor. Means whenever you are looking for a keyboard, it it has varieties of keys are available, that is letters, numbers, alphabets or some special characters, symbols. Okay, different keys are available. So according to our requirement, according to our use, we are using different keys. Okay, a keyboard has three types of keys. One is the alphabet key, number key and special character key. Okay, another one you see, that is key, enter key, arrow keys, keyboard. Okay, so different keys are available. What is alphabet key? Alphabet keys means what? The keys with the letters A to Z are called alphabet keys. These are 26 in numbers. These keys are used to type letters, words and sentences. Suppose you want to write one paragraph or sentence or one word. So we know that we are having 26 alphabets. So either you can write in small letter or capital letter, that is called as block letter. Okay, if you are using caps lock button, then automatically all the letters is going to be block capital letters. If you are deactivate means if you are not pressing the caps lock key, automatically it will be small. Okay, so that we will discuss later, how to go for small letters, capital letters we will discuss. But for the timing you should know how many keys are there, for alphabets keys are there. Okay, next one, number keys. These keys have numbers on them from 0 to 9. These are 10 in numbers. These are placed above the alphabet keys. They are used to type in many numbers. Okay, so I think you have seen where the numbers are available. It is present or it is located above the alphabet keys, or some of the keyboard you might be seen, that is extreme right side portion of the keyboard. Okay, 0 to 9, that is 10 numbers are there. Okay, 0 to 9 if we will count, that is 10 number of digits are there. Okay, so what is the use of numbers? You can write your roll number, class, telephone number, date of birth, etc. Okay, variety for mathematical calculation. Without number how can you calculate? Okay, so numbers are also very essential whenever we will use the keyboard. Okay, the number keys are also present on the right side of the keyboard, as I said. Okay, where it is located. Then coming to special character keys. Okay, what are the special characters? As I said, what are the special characters? These keys have different symbols on them, like plus, minus, multiply, division, single quote, double quote, colon, semicolon, left slash, right slash, hash, and okay, dollar, everything, percentile, open bracket, close bracket, square bracket, question mark, less than, greater than. So you see, whenever we are writing some letter or email, these are the special characters required sometime. And also during the mathematical calculations, these functions or these special characters are very useful. Okay, whenever we will move to the higher standard, you can better understand how to use these special character keys. Okay, thus the space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. Space bar key you have seen, that is the bottom of the keyboard it is located. Okay, so that key is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give spaces between the words. Okay, कोई भी चीज़ आइदर अल्फ़ाबेट्स का बीच में भी तुम गैप देना चाहते हो तो यूज स्पेस बार यू कैन यूज़ कर सकते हो, या कोई वर्ड्स के बीच तुम्हें गैप देना चाहते हो ऑल्सो यू कैन यूज दैट वन. क्लियर माई पॉइंट? Here some even example you can see and you can able to understand. Next, caps lock key. It is used to type letters in capital. Press the caps lock key once, the caps lock light will turn on. What does it mean? Suppose your name is suppose Satyam. Okay, suppose your good name is Satyam and you want to type your name using capital letter. So what you have to do? Extreme left hand side caps lock keys are available. Caps lock key is available. If you will press that one, your caps lock key one light is there, means whether this caps lock button is on or not, one light is going to be indicate. Once the light is on, then your caps lock button is also on, and whatever you are going to type, that thing will be display on capital letters. That thing will be displayed in capital letters. Now press the caps lock and again the caps lock light will turn off. Type the sentence again and see the difference. Once your caps lock will be on, again if you press the same key, your caps lock will be off, means your light will be off, and whatever you are going to type, that thing will be write in running letter, means small letter. Okay. Next, move to the enter key. It is used to move the cursor to the next line on the screen. Suppose you have written one line, if you are using the enter button, then your cursor will be moved to the next line. Next line means what? Your lines will be continue in the next paragraph, you can say, or next line you can say. The same line whatever you are using cursor, that will be stop and it will start in the next line. Fine. Arrow key. There are 4 keys that help to move the cursor on the screen. One is the upward arrow. Okay. Second one is the upward arrow is used to move the cursor up. तुम्हारा कर्सर का जो पॉइंट है that it can move by using the upward arrow. Downward arrow, it will goes down if you are pressing the down cursor. Down arrow. Left arrow key is used to move the cursor left. लेफ्ट साइड मूव करने के लिए तुम्हारा लेफ्ट साइड एरो को प्रेस करना है. एंड राइट साइड की इज यूज टू राइट एरो की इज यूज टू मूव द कर्सर राइट. ओके, राइट जाने के लिए तुम्हारा राइट एरो को प्रेस करना है. नेक्स्ट, मूव टू दिस कीज इरेज बैक स्पेस की. दिस कीज इरेज द लेटर्स टाइप्ड एट द लेफ्ट ऑफ द cursor. Means suppose you have written one word, if you want to erase it, then using the backspace means what? Whatever letters you have written, it will erase from right to left. Remember, right to left it is going to be erased if you are using the backspace button. Fine. So you see one example, it is given to you. I live in Delhi. So whenever you are using using your cursor at Delhi, that is extreme end, that is I. If you are using the backspace, then I will be delayed, then H, then L, then E, then D. Like that it is going to be delayed. Okay, if you are using the backspace button. Coming to the delete key, this key erases the letter typed at the right side of the cursor position. The main difference both are is going to be delete, but the difference is that delete key if you are using, then your alphabets is going to be delete from left to right, and backspace button is used from right to left. these are the vice versa you can say, or these are the opposite you can say. Again I'm telling you, I'm repeating, delete key is used to delete the alphabets from left to right, and backspace button is used to delete the alphabets from right to left. Okay, so no need to confuse. I hope you understood about this thing.